These top 4 strangest phenomena have no clear explanation, and wait until number 1. Scientists still argue about it. Comment which phenomenon shocked you the most. But first, you have incredible luck if you like and subscribe before this video ends. Top 4. Dark blood rain. Rain that falls bright red, caused by airborne particles that make the sky look terrifying. Top 3. Ball lightning. Glowing orbs of electricity that float through the air, pass through walls, and vanish suddenly. Top 2. Sailing stones. Huge rocks that move across desert floors on their own, leaving long trails behind with no human touch. Top 1. Bioluminescent waves. Ocean waves that glow bright blue at night when disturbed, caused by living organisms lighting up the sea.